Your lemon drop. Wow. Alright, also perfect. Good evening mga kabunso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabunso, my name is Edwin Diego and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm going to show you how to make lemon drop shots. For the lemon drop shots, mga kabunso, you need this vodka and lemon juice and sugar syrup and of course my sugar and my sugar. So mga bunso, for this cocktail is very easy and you will like it this one also because this shot is a sweet, same like sweet. So mga bunso, so let's start mga bunso. So first mga bunso, first step you make put lemon wedges with shot glass, just rolling the shot glass to the lemon, and then sugar to your shot glass. It's only under rim only. Yeah? So also let's start first, second step. 30 ml of lemon juice, 30 ml of sugar syrup. And for the vodka, one shot of vodka. One shot of vodka is 30 ml of vodka. 30 ml of vodka. Oops. Nice. And put some ice. Alright mga puso, enjoy for watching and share. Alright mga puso, almost done. So prepare our glass. One for me and one for you, alright? So here we go. Your lemon drop. Wow. Alright, also perfect. And then for the garnish, also of course, lemon slice. Alright, just put like this and like that, mga kabunso. So mga kabunso, your lemon drop shot is ready. Alright mga kabunso, so mga kabunso, enjoy. So mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share to all your friends. So mga kabunso, let's try it for the lemon drop. Cheers! Ooh. Sweet and sour and strong with vodka. Ooh, nice. So mga puso, thank you for watching. Your lemon drop. Cheers.